Now let's look at this question number 10 for WAEC past question chemistry JAMB 2018. In the preparation of oxygen by heating KClO3 in the presence of MnO2, that's manganese 4 oxide, only moderate heat is needed because the catalyst acts by A. Lowering the pressure of the reaction, B. Increasing the surface area of the reaction, C. Increasing the rate of reaction, D. Lowering the energy barrier of the reaction. So what happens with the catalyst? When you add a catalyst to a reaction, what happens is majorly one thing: to lower the energy barrier of the reaction. That's what happens. So this is a direct answer. D is the answer to this problem, because what actually happens whenever there is a catalyst added to a specific reaction is that the energy barrier is lowered. So you have a reaction, a normal reaction that would have gone like this. So you now have it to go like this. So the energy barrier is reduced. This height is reduced to this height. So that's what happens. That is the effect of catalyst. Whenever you act a catalyst to a reaction, it reduces the energy barrier, making it so that you don't have to suffer so much to get to the next level. You don't have to suffer so much to move from the reactant side to the product side. So that energy that you need to have in order to make this passage from reactant to product is reduced. So that is why you add a catalyst, to reduce the energy barrier. So it's none of this. It cannot be to reduce the pressure. Catalyst does not go to affect the pressure or the surface area of the reaction, but it does reduce the energy barrier so that with lesser energy you can achieve what you want. Thank you.